Hi friends, this is Miss Muller. We're doing pink, sort 20, short O and long O. And I want you to put your headers up just like I did. That way it'll be easy for you to follow along. We're going to first look at short O with CVC, which stands for consonant, vowel, consonant. The next header I want you to put up is long O, CVCE, which is consonant, vowel, consonant with an E at the end. The next one I want you to find is OA with CVVC, which is a consonant, a vowel, and a consonant. And the last one is OW, CVVC, which is consonant, vowel, vowel. And let's remember that our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. So go ahead and take a minute to get your headers up just like mine. And remember, you can pause at any time if I'm going too fast. Okay, let's take a look at the first column. It's short O, CVC. So I want you to find the first helper word, and that word is long, 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 L-O-N-G, and it's a little bit bolded. That O is a short O. It does not say its name. And there's only one other word in this column, and that word is stock. Stock. If you stock something, you might put things back on the shelf. Stock. Say these words with me. We have long and stock. Makes the ah sound, not the O. So it's a short O. Let's go to the next column. We have long O with CVC-E at the end. So we're going to look for our helper word. That is froze. Froze. If you had a water bottle and you put it outside, it might have froze. O's. You can hear that O say its name. And it has that E at the end, which helps the O say its name. The next word I want you to find is globe. Globe. That E at the end helps that O say its name. It makes it a long O. The next word I want you to find is wrote. 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 That E at the end makes that O say its name. And the last one in this column, see if you can find it. The word is close. Now, it's not the kind of clothes you wear. This kind of close is if you close a door. C-L-O-S-E. That E at the end makes that O say its name. Let's say these words together. We have froze, globe, wrote, and close. You should kind of be able to see your mouth make that O sound for the long O. Our next column is long O with an A and a CVVC pattern. Our helper word for this column is going to be coal. 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 C-O-A-L. And your mouth again makes that O, and the O says its name. The next word I want you to find is coach. Coach. If you play soccer, you might have a soccer coach. That O-A and the O says its name. Coach. Two vowels next to each other. Consonant is the C, vowel, vowel, consonant. And it's okay if it has another consonant after it. But it's the same pattern. The next word I want you to find is roast. Roast. Sometimes if you roast something to eat, you cook it for a while. Roast. You might put it in a pan. It has consonant, which is the R, vowel, O, vowel A, consonant S, another consonant after. The next one in this column is oat. Oat, O-A-T. And it has a consonant. It has no consonant. It has a vowel, vowel consonant. So this one's missing the consonant in the beginning, and that's okay too. The next word I want you to find is loaf. Loaf, like a loaf of bread. L-O-A-F. So it has consonant, which is the L, vowel, vowel, consonant. And the last word in this column for the sort is roam. Roam. If you roam, you just kind of walk around. R-O-A-M. Consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. Let's say these words together. We have coal, couch, roast, oat, loaf, and roam. This last column is OW, and it has the pattern CVVC. So we're going to be looking at consonants and then followed by 2 vowels. The first helper word I want you to find is show. S-H-O-W. And the W in this sort acts like a vowel, not a consonant. The next word I want you to find is blow. Blow. B-L-O-W. Blow. The next word I want you to find in this sort is slow. S-L-O-W. Slow. And that W acts as a consonant, as a vowel, not a consonant. The next word I want you to find is grow. Grow. Now go ahead and find the word snow. Snow. The next word I want you to find is flow. F-L-O-W. The next word I want you to find is the word throw. T-H-R-O-W. Throw. The next word I want you to find is know, and this one has a different spelling. This is K-N-O-W. This might mean that you think you know something. The other way to spell know is N-O. That's called a homophone, when there's 2 ways to spell the same word that sound the same, but they're spelled differently. So this word is know, K-N-O-W. The next word I want you to find is mow. Like if you mow the grass, you cut the grass. The next word I want you to find is row, R-O-W. We have one word left, but we're going to leave that down. We're going to read these words together. We have show, blow, slow, grow, snow, flow, throw, know, mow, and row. And our last word, bring it up here, our last word is whose. It has that O and the S and the E, but it does not make the O sound. It makes an oo sound, and that does not fit into any of our headers. So that's kind of like an oddball for us this week, and there's no oddball header, so we're just going to set it aside. Nice job today, friends.